So I had some hot brewed coffee that I mixed with cocoa powder. A little bit of melted chocolate. To that, I'm going to add my granulated sugar, a spot of vanilla extract, some melted coconut oil, and a little bit of applesauce. If you don't have applesauce, it's no problem. You could just add more oil, but I do like the applesauce addition because I think it just sort of lightens up the recipe just a teensy bit. I have some salt and baking powder. And I'm just going to sift in the flour. And that's it in real time. Probably about a minute to mix this awesome fudge brownie recipe. So once they come out of the oven, this is how we're going to actually turn them into cups. I just have a little measuring glass here that has a perfectly diameter on the bottom that I can just press into these brownie cupcakes, and that's going to turn them into perfect indents for cups. So now that our brownie cups are ready to go, we can go ahead and start the pumpkin pie filling. And you wouldn't want to do this part until your brownie cups are fully baked and cooled and you've got the indents for the cups. So in addition to the cashews, we are going to need some plant milk, some vegan yogurt, confectioner's sugar, and canned pumpkin. I also have a little bit of white chocolate. And don't forget the pumpkin pie spice. I'm going to sprinkle my agar powder over the top of that. And now we're going to get this to the stove to melt and bring it to a boil. Now you do have to work fast at this point because agar does set really quickly. So you definitely want to make sure that your brownie cups are ready to go. so that there's no waiting. So there we have it, another easy dessert recipe that is sure to win awards at your next gathering. Serve up these little pumpkin pie cups just as they are, or add some vegan whipped cream and a sprinkle of pumpkin pie spice to tie it all together. Whatever you do, be sure to grab all the best recipes at Gretchen'sVeganBakery.com. And until next time, happy vegan baking. Bye for now.